Most products selling online on places outside of Amazon are pretty much selling at around the price that they are selling for on Amazon when they are full price. And there's a lot of people that do not understand the business model online arbitrage, the whole business model, and they think that when you actually buy inventory for your online arbitrage business, when you actually look for inventory, you look for product at full price and you are going to sell products. You are going to buy inventory at full price and you are going to be able to sell that inventory for a profit on Amazon. It is not true. This is not how the business model works, and this is why you keep buying products either that tank or that you are actually having a super hard time finding profitable products, okay? If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza, and in today's video, like we do every single day, because there is a video every day, we are going to talk about Amazon, and I'm going to help you get better at this business and make more money. So if this is something that you want to see every single day, and if you want to get recommended more video, like this video and subscribe, all right? So let me just show you what most people do. And by the way, in this video, I will have 3 resources for you, okay? 2 that are free, that are going to help you with what I'm going to teach you today, and 1 that is paid, that is going to speed up your time if you want to do it, if you want to just get it, all right? So let me just share my screen with you, and let me just show you what most people actually do when they start doing online arbitrage. So they get on a website like Nike.com, okay, and they just start looking for a product this way. So they like Jordan, they're going to start looking for Jordan, okay, and they are going to try to see if they are going to start looking for this product, and they are going to try to see if they can sell this profitably on Amazon. And let me tell you, the answer is going to be no. You are not going to be able to sell this profitably on Amazon. First of all, it's not even this colorway of the Jordan 3 is not even on Amazon. And if you really look at it, other colorways are, except this one, but other colorways are selling at pretty much the same price that they are actually selling for on Nike.com, okay? So it is maybe a bad example because it's not that big of a Nike shoe, because it's not an OG colorway, so I don't think that it's going to sell super good, but you get the idea, okay? So this is what most people are going to do. Let's just take another example, okay, with these Jordan 1 mids. Jordan 1 mids, I sold a ton of Jordan 1 mids, by the way, profitably, but not this way, okay? If we look at it, okay, so we can get them for $125. The maximum cost if we want to make if we want to make them profitable is going to be like 74. Okay, so this one is almost profitable, but looks like we do not have this colorway right here, and if you really look at it, yeah, most maximum price are actually a little lower, okay? So you are not going to be able to buy this product at full price and sell it profitably on Amazon. No. Does that mean that you cannot make money on Amazon with online arbitrage? No, it just means that you do not understand the business model. This is not how we run this business model on Amazon, okay? Yes, we are buying products online to resell on Amazon, but we are not buying those products full price, okay? And this is one, by the way, quick, I'm going to go on a tangent a little bit. Some people say that AI is going to make it so, online arbitrage is not going to be a viable business model. It is such a dumb take, and people that are pretty big in the space have actually said it, and it should actually show you, or people that are in the space actually do not even understand the business model that they actually talk about, okay? This is such a dumb take, okay? Online arbitrage is not going to get killed by AI price matching software because products like the supply chain is inefficient, okay? For a lot of reasons, and I'll make a full video talking about that, but stop listening to people that do not have any idea of how the supply chain works, of how this actual business model works. It doesn't matter if they have 400,000 subscribers, they do not understand shit. They do not even run this business model anymore, okay? So they do not understand shit, they do not know what they talk about. Stop listening to this bullshit, okay, to these clones. They do not understand what they're talking about. They just have a big, and their message just get amplified by their platform, okay? But they are dumb. They do not understand what they talk about, okay? Online arbitrage is not a business model that is about to that is going to die because of AI or because of all that shit, because the supply chain will always be inefficient to a certain point, okay? So there's always going to be opportunities. It doesn't matter if AIs get big and price matching tools, because the supply chains are inefficient, and because of that, products need to be on clearance. And this is, by the way, where I'm going to go with this, okay? If you actually want to make a profit selling on Amazon, you are not going to buy product at full price, okay? You are not going to buy product at full price, so let's close this, okay? What you want to do is look at the sales section to find products that are that are actually on sale. And on Nike, there's a sale of up to 40%. That has been going on for a little while, and so maybe you can still find profitable products. For example, okay, you can find Jordan 1 made at $90, which is a little bit better. But there's a ton of products that aren't selling. This sale has been going on for, if we look at it right here, I know I have this sale. Yeah, this sale has been going on for almost a month now. Okay, so by the way, this is my target list. Okay, this is, and I'm going to talk a little bit about this as well in this video. And if you've watched my video, you know what it is. But yeah, what you're gonna need to do is you are gonna need to look for products that are selling. Like you are gonna need to reduce your buy cost as much as possible. Okay. This is what we call manufacturing your margins, and you are going to need to do this by using three things, okay? First, sales and coupons. This is going to be the first way to actually reduce your price. Discounted gift cards, and I have a whole video on discounted gift cards. So discounted gift cards are gift cards that you are going to buy, for example. Okay, let me just show you an example, actually. It's going to be way better. We're going to use Arbitrage cards.com. I'm going to show you this website to give you an example. So you can buy gift cards at a discount. Okay, so you can buy, for example, yeah, right there on Adidas, we can get gift cards up to 14.5% off. Okay, so instead of buying, like, if you want to buy $100 gift card to buy stuff with on Amazon, if you want to buy stuff, not on Amazon, on adidas.com, okay, you can pay, instead of paying $100 for $100 gift card, you are going to pay $85.50. Okay, so you are saving 14.5%. Okay, so let's just take this as an example. Okay, so as I said, the first thing that you are gonna, like, let's just enter this. Okay, 14.50, 15.4. What is it? 14.5. Okay, 14.5% off. And let me just do this so we see numbers that comes right after. By the way, this is one of the resources that I offer for free, okay? It is my calculation product cost spreadsheet, okay? You can get it, there's a link in the description. It's going to help you calculate your cost, your exact cost, to manufacture your margins, because this is what is going to help you make a profit on Amazon. It's not buying products full price, okay? So, just with a gift card, we can already reduce our price by 14.5%. But there's other stuff that we can do to actually reduce our price. Okay, so we need to try to find coupons. We can use credit card cashback. Most of the time, you're going to be able to get 2% off with your credit card. Okay, and then you can use cashback extension and coupons, as I told you, to reduce your price even more. So let's just look on adidas.com if we can find something. Let me see. If we can find, first of all, what is the cashback with extension, if there's some cashback right now. Let's see on top cashback. It looks like there's no cashback on adidas.com. But let's go back to nike.com. Let's go back to nike.com because we have 10% cashback on nike.com. Okay, let's look at if we can actually get some decent gift cards. On Arbitrage card, we can get up to 5% off, okay? And the 5% off gift card may be, they may not be available, they may be out of stock right now, but let's just assume that we actually can find them right now, okay? Okay, so we have 10% off with the extension cashback. Some people say that you should not use the extension cashback. I believe that for beginners, if you want to manufacture your margins, yes, of course, go ahead and use it. Just know that it can be cancelled, so it should not be your only, like, if all your profit is made by the cashback extension, of course it's bad, but like it can help you as a beginner find more products, okay? So include your cashback into it, and you just need to know what you need to do to avoid your cashback getting cancelled, okay? On Nike.com, this is going to be not ordering more than 6 units per order, but you can spam orders by 6 units, okay? So it's not that big of an issue. Now, let's go back on Nike.com. Let's see if we can find any coupon on Nike.com or okay, so we have cashback. Yeah, let's see if we can actually find some coupons. Okay, Nike.com usually do not have welcome coupons. So one way, by the way, to do this is just to spam welcome coupons by using a casual email. I have a video on how to use casual emails. I know Google domains is not a thing anymore, but you can literally do the exact same thing. You just follow what I did, and I'm gonna make an updated video because I know that some of you guys are a little bit slow. you can do the exact same thing that I did on this video with another domain registrar. Okay, so you can do it with, I don't know, you can do it with Namecheap, you can do it with, I don't know, I think Squarespace domain, you can do the exact same thing. Just choose a domain registrar and do the exact same thing. It's the exact same process. Okay, just the places on the website that you're going to need to go to are different, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Just follow this tutorial. Okay, so there's no welcome coupon on Nike usually, which is not an issue. So we can, as I said, no coupon. We're going to leave the coupons at 0, but we get 10% cashback, 5% cashback on the gift card, 2% credit card cashback, and then if I ship to my prep center in Montana, I'm going to pay 0% in sales tax. Okay, so for example, if we start right now with a product that sells at $100, instead of paying $100, if I ship it to my prep center, I would only pay $84.35 with a $1.25 prep cost. Okay, so I would actually save $5 more than if I were to ship it in my house in Miami. All right, so next thing, okay, what we want to do now is we want to find a product that is on sale. Okay, because if the product is on sale, it's already discounted a little bit more than if it was, at full price. So we are going to be able to manufacture our margins even more. Okay, so what we are going to do to find this is we are going to go to the sale section, to that sale that we were looking at, to find something that is actually discounted. Okay, the sale is up to 40%. So if we calculate everything, we actually save, if we get something that is at 40% off, we actually save more than 50% on that product, and so we can flip it profitably on Amazon. This is the whole business model. So let's actually go look for a product, okay? And of course, I'm not necessarily going to be looking for a product that is profitable, just to show you the example right now, okay? So let's find something that is highly discounted. Okay, so this is already good. Of course, you're not going to find this on Amazon, but it's just for you to actually give you it's just for me to show you an example, okay? This product is probably not going to be on Amazon, and even if it is, it's probably selling super slowly, so do not get it, okay? But this product that was at $165, okay, so the full price for this product is at $165. You can get it for $99.97 right now on sale. All right. So let's enter the price. 99. It was $99.97, right? Wasn't $99.97? Let me double check. It was right there. Yeah, $99.97. Okay, and so instead of having this product at $165, which is the full price, okay, we are going to be able to get it at $84.33. Okay, so this is pretty much how you make stuff profitable. And by the way, this is why you should build what I call a target list, okay? If you want to get mine, okay, my VAs are building it for me every single day. I'm not doing it anymore myself, okay? So for example, right now, I have 121 different sales that I can source from right now, and every single day I have a spreadsheet with the new one that is sent to people that sign up. $34.99 a month. You could have gotten it for $27, by the way. You didn't, okay? It was a couple of weeks ago. I increased the price, and I said that I was going to increase the price. So, yeah, get it before I decide to increase the price even more, because it's a little bit over $1 a day to get my VAs working for you and get the exact same sale that I look at. Okay, this is pretty much what we look at every single day. All the sales, all the products that I source are coming from those specific sales that are on this spreadsheet. So if you want to get it, once again, $34 a month. So that's the that's the second resource that I have. So the first resource that I have for you, by the way, was the calculation spreadsheet that is right there. Okay, so that's the first resource that is free. The second resource that I have for free for you is actually an ebook that you are going to find in the description that is going to tell you how to actually build the target list yourself if you want to build it yourself. Okay, of course, it's not going to be as extensive as mine, because mine I have VAs working full time to build me my target list and to remove deals that are expired. You do not have this, but you can get the exact same target list that I use, which is this one. Yeah, you can get it for $34 a month. I was about to say for free. No, you cannot get this for free because it requires a lot of work. I pay my VAs. And so you can get it for $34.99 a month, which is a little bit above $1 a day. And so, it's super worth it in my opinion. This is going to be all the places where you can actually find profitable products. And I showed you how to do it. You need to manufacture your margins. You need to find ways to manufacture your margins. So do not make the mistake of actually looking for products that are selling at full price, because if you do, yes, you're going to find some products, but most of the products are going to tank. Okay, the market is going to correct itself. And so if you want to be really profitable, you need to manufacture your margins and you need to do this. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. this video if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Drop a candy emoji if you watched this video until here. Thank you.